Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check your device OS and confirm the app supports it, because unsupported apps won't work. Once done, grant the minimum permissions the app requests. Those let it read stored networks. Make sure you back up settings and have admin credentials ready so you can approve prompts quickly. Then install the official Wi-Fi password viewer from the App Store. Avoid third-party sources. This gets you past initial blockers and straight into recovery. Open the app and accept the permissions it needs to read network info. Without them, it cannot list saved SSIDs. Next, scan the displayed list or use search to find the target network by SSID because many devices store dozens of entries. Tap the network entry to reveal details. The app usually shows masked text, so you must tap Show or enter your device PIN to unmask. Finally, copy the password or export it as CSV if you need to move credentials securely. After you retrieve a password, immediately save it to your password manager so you avoid re-revealing it later. This protects access. Once finished, revoke any elevated permissions you granted and uninstall the app if you no longer require it, because fewer apps reduce risk. If the app shows no stored networks, make sure System Keychain access is enabled or that the app supports your device. On some phones, you need root or elevated access. If that's the case, proceed only if you understand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.